And then once you've established a good surface, or the surface you want, then you can relax your body a little bit, relax your muscles, so that you can do lighter cuts, smaller shavings and such. But these are the detail cuts, the refining cuts. And okay, grain, crazy grain, Ozzy Osbourne, crazy grain, no, crazy train, aha, I knew that. Again, braced, shaving cut. I don't want to go past this surface, these shavings. I don't want to go deeper than that because I've established a nice plane here. And this is where the grain changes direction. So definitely light shaving cuts to match that plane. And there we go. Well, not quite there yet, but we're there. Catching deep in that. Remember to, when you need to control where your knife is going to finish, you need to brace your body. Brace your arms so they don't move crazy. Brace your hands against your body so they don't move around. And then it's all in the fingers and the wrist. You're just scooping the knife across, trying to slice the wood, and you know where that knife is going to come out. It's not going to travel in any kind of weird, wild way. And you get some passive resistance training in as you're tensing up your body to hold things still so you can get the result you want.